Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play every Apex legend. To truly master any legend, begin by understanding their unique tactical and ultimate abilities. Focus on fundamental movement techniques like sliding and wall bouncing to navigate the arena efficiently. Effective communication with your squad is paramount for coordinated pushes and retreats. Finally, developing strong map knowledge and strategic positioning will give you a significant advantage in every engagement. Every legend falls into one of 4 distinct categories: offensive, defensive, support, or recon. A well-rounded team often includes a mix of these roles to cover various situations. Practice combining your ultimate abilities with your teammates for devastating effects, like a Gibraltar dome paired with a Bangalore smoke. Always be ready to adjust your strategy to best support your squad and maximize their potential. When engaging in combat, select weapons that complement your legend's strengths and your personal playstyle. Always seek out cover and use high ground to gain an advantage over opponents. Efficiently manage your inventory, ensuring you have enough healing items and ammunition for sustained fights. Consistent practice with aiming and mastering weapon recoil will significantly enhance your combat effectiveness in every encounter. To truly excel, regularly review your own gameplay to pinpoint areas where you can improve. Don't be afraid to experiment with new legends and diverse weapon loadouts to find what works best for you. Observing professional players can provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and strategic decision-making. Staying informed about game updates and legend adjustments will ensure you're always prepared for the evolving meta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.